What if I told you there is a way that you can strengthen the engagement of your marketing, achieve higher conversion rates, and better connect with your customers in a super cost-efficient way? Well, spoiler alert, there is a way. SMS marketing is very quickly becoming the most effective method of connecting to consumers in today's crowded marketplace. It's short, it's straight to the point, and most importantly, it cuts through the noise. Let's face it, our inboxes are constantly flooded by digital flyers and salesy newsletters. So a simple and helpful text from your favorite company can often feel like a breath of fresh air. It's more personable than every other marketing channel, and which makes it better for fostering customer relationships that last. In this video, I'll give you the scoop on everything you need to know about SMS marketing, what it is, how it works, and if you stick around, I'll even share some of the best practices when it comes to implementing an SMS strategy. So let's dive right in. According to Campaign Monitor, during the holidays, email open rates are substantially lower, like a whopping 18.6% lower. That's massive. But why are people refusing to open that email that's offering them a wonderful discount? Didn't they already express their interests by subscribing? The simple answer? There's just too many of them. What was designed to be a value add to the consumer can quickly become a frustrating experience if we don't find a unique, non-invasive way of delivering value. This is why SMS marketing, or short message service marketing, was created. What is SMS marketing? As I'm sure you could imagine, customers won't just give their mobile number to every business. So this can really set your brand apart by establishing a strong communication channel with your customers. The first thing you'll want to make sure is that you have your customers' consent to send them text messages. This will satisfy all the legal and compliant issues that, if not properly looked into, could cause some issues for your business in the future. Take the guesswork out of this step. Shopify has made it super easy for you to begin capturing each SMS consent right when your customers are checking out. To turn this feature on, click the link in the description and follow the steps to get it all set up. Once you collect SMS marketing consent from a subscriber, then the real magic begins. You can immediately start sending your customer SMS messages in the form of special offers like discounts, flash sales. You can even automate the process for an ongoing drip campaign, like a welcome series. The possibilities are endless, so have some fun trying different ways and see which method works best. When you're setting up SMS, you'll need to generate a short code, which is the equivalent of a company email address. A short code is an abbreviated phone number of 5 or 6 digits. They're typically short and sweet, so they're easy to remember. Once you have your code set up, customers can easily opt into receiving your SMS messages by texting keywords like hot sauce to your short code, and voila. Next, let's talk about why you should invest in SMS marketing. There are many benefits to incorporating SMS marketing into your business strategy, but here are 3 main reasons why it can be a great investment for you. Higher engagement, they're easy to write, and you can build brand loyalty. So let's discuss these a little more. Higher engagement. SMS messages are a far more direct way of interacting with your customer. If a customer opts into your SMS service, that means they want to hear from you. You've almost become a trusted contact, and that is marketing gold. It makes the communication more natural, more anticipated, and the result is higher engagement. This is probably why Gartner found that SMS open rates can be as high as 98%. Compare that to a mere 20% for email. Even more importantly, SMS click-through rates can reach 45%, which may come as a surprise when you look at the 6% average for email marketing. They're easy to write. Have you ever sat at your computer for an hour thinking of what to write in your monthly newsletter? It can be a daunting task in and of itself. Not to mention, you send it out and receive less than impressive results. With SMS messages, you can literally come up with a 1 to 2 line text that quickly highlights your reason for messaging and also includes a call to action. Hey, Daniel, guess what? Today we're offering 20% off everything for the next 24 hours. This spicy flash sale ends on November 29th. Use coupon code HOTSAUCE at checkout to save. Hit send, and that's it. Build brand loyalty. SMS messages build a seamless customer experience, which will help strengthen customers' loyalty to your brand. Think about it. Texts are so much easier to respond to, which in turn encourages dialogue. This is why their average response rate is 36% more. Have you ever purchased something from a store and then when you left, you got a thank you message with an additional discount on your next purchase? Or maybe you had a follow-up customer service call to ensure that you were satisfied with the experience. These are all elements that kind of work together to create a marketing strategy with multiple touch points that allow customers to feel more connected to the brands that they love. 3 challenges of SMS marketing. Nothing is ever perfect. Every strategy comes with its pros and its cons. Here are 3 areas you'll want to iron out when considering your SMS marketing. Potentially higher setup costs, small subscriber lists, and privacy and legalities. Potentially higher setup costs. A personal phone number usually means a lot more to customers than their email address, and therefore they won't part with it unless you give them a good enough reason to. Is it 5% off, 10% off, buy one, get one free? There's no right or wrong answer, but you'll have to test it out and see which incentive works best when it comes to gaining new subscribers. Try to find a balance with the amount that you're willing to invest. Small subscriber list. This really goes hand in hand with the previous point. Since customers aren't willing to easily give you their number, in most cases, you can expect a lower subscriber list and possibly even more opt-outs. But keep this in mind that those that stay on your SMS list are super engaged. One study even found that 77% of consumers think positively about businesses that offer text as a channel for communication. Privacy and legalities. Now, privacy and legalities can seem like a daunting issue, and in some cases can prevent a business from getting started with SMS. Let me help remove all of your fears so you can feel comfortable implementing your SMS marketing strategy. SMS is a permission-based channel. Customers have willingly opted in to receiving these messages from you. And if this is not the case, don't send it. Follow this simple rule and you are all good. And for some extra peace of mind, if you're using a Shopify app to send SMS marketing messages, you can rest assured it's already TCPA compliant. So which SMS app should you use? Here are a few SMS marketing apps that are all TCPA compliant and I actually love. Postscript. It's simple integration with Shopify, and it's super easy to use. SMS Bump. It's used by many Shopify stores and Shopify Plus customers. Attentive Mobile. This is ideal for bigger brands with massive subscriber lists. It's used by companies like Sephora and even Coach. ManyChat. This app is great for international campaigns, so the world is yours. Okay, right before I hop out of here, I just want to leave you with some personal SMS marketing best practices so you'll have everything you need to start sending text messages that your customers will absolutely love to receive. Make it easy to opt out. People change, preferences change, and you want to respect that choice with your customers. Allow them to easily opt out of your SMS service. They'll respect you for respecting them. Information is better than promotion when it comes to SMS marketing. Remember, you're sending a friend a message about something that they would love to know about. You're not just messaging them to sell something. Always provide value before attempting to sell anything. Have an occasional conversation. Sometimes the best SMS is a conversational one. There's nothing wrong with asking a question or opening up a dialogue with your customers. This is the best form of customer feedback and engagement, so don't be afraid to use it. I'm going to guess that if you're watching this video, you're likely an entrepreneur and you might be looking for a platform to start your own online store. If you want to start selling online, or perhaps you already are and want to change to a superior platform, you're going to want to sign up for Shopify. I've used other e-commerce platforms and nothing compares. Website design, inventory, shipping, and marketing are made so easy with Shopify. I'll drop a link in the description box for a free 14-day trial if you'd like to try it out. That's going to give you time to create a store, brand it, add your products, start marketing, and see if you like it. I used the 14-day trial before committing, and it was great to try it out beforehand. So I'll leave that link right here or in the description box below just for you. And that's all the magic I got for you today, wonderful people. I'm your host and content creator, Daniel Lewis, and I really hope that you gain tons of value from today's video. If you'd like to have your questions answered in an upcoming video, just leave it in the comment section below. Other than that, just make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you want YouTube to notify you when we post another video, simply ring that little bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.